what's in it.
Good job, Dolly.
Look, it's
sweet
in
baby.
here, Dolly.
Aww.
It's my stuffing.
That is your
Yes.
stuffing,
And these
your body. Oh, that's your paperwork.
are stuffies, Mama.
Yeah.
And these are clothes and are sucky. Oh. Are sucky.
Oh, you're
I took
sucky.
it out. What is this?
That's your instructions and your adoption. So
Your birth
when you figure out what her name is going to be, you have Mom help you, and you can write her name and the date you got her. And that's all the paperwork how to put her together.
She'll have the same birthday as you.
Your Dolly has the same birthday as Dolly.
What do we have to do?
What do we have to do? Well, we have to put her together.
Right here. And
Yeah?
up.
What else is in here?
What is it?
I don't
What
know.
is
Oh, that's the weight for its belly.
and the bead?
Yep, and they're like beads. You're right, honey.
What is in here?
Oh, I don't know. Look in there. See what's in that box.
It's our head.
Oh, it's your head. Isn't that a pretty cute head? Look at that cute little head.
Our arm.
There's an arm. Oh, that's the plug for his head.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Is it a boy or girl?
You picked a girl, remember? Oh, there's a foot.
Another foot. We have to put all the stuff back in
Well, are you gonna build your baby?
right now.
If you want.
Yeah.
Shorties.
Sure.
And what's that?
Hats.
It's hats.
That's a lot of stuff.
That is a lot of stuffing.
Have to get swishes.
Thanks today.
Some more. I want it to be filled in. Mama, you have to do it.
Alright.
We have to put some stuffing in the arm. That's next.
And you said you're only 5.
Yeah.
Can't believe what a good job you're doing.
A 5-year-old knows how to do this work.
Do they?
I was at school before I came here. A little bit more.
My dear, you forgot the wrist.
Here, shove that one in there.
Shove this one.
All of it.
Gotcha. Now we need an arm. Gotcha. Arm
Is
it.
that the right order?
No.
Thumbs up. Always thumbs up.
Okay, is your thumbs up
Thumbs up.
or your thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Look at your
Good
muscles.
job.
Bang.
You're wild.
I'm always wild. Gotta get you in. This baby needs muscles. My teacher gave it to me and made it for me. Belly, belly, belly.
Okay.
I need a little more, Mama.
We will get those, but we have to tighten it or your head's gonna.
Pull off. Now it needs a big wrist.
Okay.
Well, you gotta put your baby's diaper on.
I have to get these out. Now we need to put this on. We need to get this on.
Sorry.
We have lots of clothes at our house for.
Do ya?
Oh,
Is she
look
gonna
at
sleep with you tonight?
What?
Is she gonna sleep with you tonight?
And I'll have to put her pajamas on that I have at the house.
You do? Well, that's good. She's a lucky baby.
Yeah. She gets to have a sleepover at us.
Nice.
You get to keep her.
Yeah. She's going to have a lot of sleepovers at ours.
Yeah.
Come on, muscles.
There
Ah. Can you show Shelly?
we go. Show Shelly. Turn her around.
Oh, she's so cute.
She's going to be ready to go outside soon. She doesn't want to be cold outside. It's winter. Ellie. Is at nighttime, I'll just rock her to sleep again. Yeah.
Good job.
That's my job to take care of this baby.
You're such a good mommy.
I am.
happy? Yes.